What's up, guys? Camgar here, and I'm here. Well, yes, I'm here, but I just got done raging over a basketball game. So right now, I'm gonna play a relaxing game that challenges the mind, and I'm going to be playing. Will you press the button? Now, you will gain control of an army made up of whatever that number is, armed war bears. But Godzilla will attack Sweet. Oh no! PewDiePie's gonna die. I um. I'm sorry to all the bros there, but I really, really want whatever that number is. Armed war bears. That sounds amazing. I mean, look what you could do with all that. You could take control of an entire country with that. I mean, hell yeah! Are you gonna load? Okay. You see, 75% of the people agree with me. You see, that was a good one. That was a good one. That was good. Wow. Okay. Oh boy. Oh boy, we're starting off with this. Really? Already? I haven't even got that far. Okay. You can have sex with anyone you want, but you will never have a meaningful relationship. And I give a frick? I can have sex with anybody I wanted? Duh! I don't need a meaningful relationship after my girlfriend broke up with me a couple of years ago, but that's okay. Let's ignore that. I don't need no meaningful relationship. All I need is me, myself, and my dick. That was a good one. Okay. Takes forever to load. You are good looking and successful, but your work is in the sewers and your sense of smell is intact. Oh god, no! I have to smell the essence of shit every time I work. Oh boy. Um, I don't know. I've had a good streak on pressing buttons. Oh, uh, this is a hard one. Oh boy. I hate my life. I'll press that. I'll press that button. I wanna be good looking and successful just like I could never be. Oh, that was a good one. That was a good one. Would you hurry up, please? Okay. Oh, come on, not this again. Oh, what? Oh. Oh. You can have sex with anyone you want, but it has to be fetus sex that pushes your limits. Uh. You mean I'm to have sex with an unborn baby? No, 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 God, no. Oh, God. A lot of people left me behind. I would not do that. 60% of people have lost their mind. I would not do that. Oh my god, that's horrible. You'll never be you'll never be banned from anything, but people will be jealous and try to ruin your experiences. Hey, I don't give a crap. If anybody wants to ruin my life and take away my stuff, screw them. Lock them out. Carry a shotgun with you. Bam. You don't need them. All you need is all your games. Nobody will try to ruin you. You can troll people to their suicide, and then whoa, that got deep quickly. Whoa. Okay, I'll press that button. But no, I mean, if you weren't banned from, if you could not be banned on anything, look at what you could do. That's awesome, man. That'd be awesome. I don't care if people are jealous of me. Cool. Hey, that actually means something about my what have I done British? YouTube will have no censorship restrictions. Excuse me. But BME videos will be constantly promoted. What is BME videos? God. I don't know. But I mean, YouTube will have no censorship restrictions. Hell yeah. Yeah, watch all the pornography you want. I don't care. It's YouTube. YouTube is constant about their censorship restrictions. Hey, that'd be cool. And who cares about those BME videos? Don't watch them. That's all. That's what you could do. I mean, that's you. Oh God. Oh, you will never be lonely, but everyone will resent you. Well, you've landed to the two things that happened to me. I am very lonely, and everyone hates my guts. Oh, sorry, I'm getting a little bit too emotional about this. I was traumatized by a game of basketball. Oh boy. I will not. I think I'll keep things the way they are. I'm okay. I'm fine. I'm a loner till the end. Screw everybody else. I don't need friends. Except for David. David's a good friend. You'll have the body you always wanted. I could finally have my +1 biceps and my gorgeous abs. But all 42 of your nudes will be leaked everywhere. What if you don't take nudes? What if you don't take nude pictures? What if you don't have oh. Well, what you don't need to do that. You could prevent that. That's awesome. I can have the body I want. It all I need not to do is to take nude pictures. Oh, that'd be all right. It's not like I do that, right? Ugh. You're learning some deep dark things about my life. Will you load? You gain 10 years of extra life, but random members of your family will lose 5 years from their lives. But you know what? I don't care. I don't care. I honestly don't care. Oh boy. People are good. Oh, what is the comment section gonna be like? Oh no, this guy wants family to die. Oh, God. Like I said, you guys are learning some really, really disturbing things about me. Okay, one more, then I'll be done. You may choose any decade in any century to continue your life in, but there's okay. Scroll, please. Scroll. Oh boy, that's a long one. There's no guarantee that your any positive social, economic, or creative developments will occur for a second time. In fact, it is unlikely that the very best changes will happen again. Additionally, there is a chance that of the economy of time will take a turn for the worst, even if it was strong at the time. Guess what? I don't want to go to 1820. I want to stay here in 2000. I want to stay here in 2016. I mean, people have an obsession with the past. People want to know what the past was like, but the past was bad. People died a lot. I mean, they didn't have medicine like we did. They didn't have food. There was a lot more war back then. No, I'd rather stay in 2016. Whew, definitely not. Oh boy, no. Oh come on, you can scroll, can't you? You know how to scroll, computer. Thank you. Click. Well, I didn't mean to click on that. No, no, no. I think not. Okay, well, I forgot that was my last one. But okay, so that was will you press the button. If you enjoyed it, press the like button and subscribe. And until the next time, goodbye.